Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing you how to go from the Grindelwald Station to the top of the Grindelwald. So now we are here at the station. So as you can see, we have to go to the bus station. So now we have to hop off the train, and afterwards now we're hopping off the train, so waiting for the people to go out. And then I'm gonna show you the breathtaking view and how to buy the bus ticket to get to the Grindelwald. So look at this, guys. It is breathtaking view, and as soon as you land it, it's so amazing and it's so refreshing. The air is very good. It is cold here, as you can see. Everybody is like wearing the jackets. So now we are going to the bus station where we're gonna buy the tickets to get us to the place where we can buy another ticket to go to the top of the Grindelwald. So bear with me, guys, because now we're heading to the bus station. So as you can see, there are like a few kiosks and the shops at the train station. You can buy like the souvenirs and stuff like that, but it's actually like expensive over here, so I don't recommend you. So as you can see on the right, that is the Grindelwald Station. So you can also buy the tickets over there. And one tip, guys, so if you're traveling to Switzerland, don't forget to buy the 50% off traveler's ticket, which you have to pay, I think, around like $150 something, and that will give you all the discounts on the 50%. I mean, like you will get 50% discount on all the tickets that you have to buy in Switzerland, including trains and like sky train to everything, you know, like every single thing, the bus ticket, everything. So don't forget to buy that ticket. You can find it on Google, and I will also share you like how to buy the ticket. So now we are here at the bus stations. As you can see, the bus are going, so it's not so far. So let's go. So if you can see, there is like a bus coming in, and on the left side there is like a bus ticket station. So but just for a moment, enjoy this place, enjoy the view. But for me, I have to go and get the tickets. So that is the ticket station for the bus. Actually, there is no one who is gonna like check your tickets, but in Switzerland everybody buy the tickets, although there is no one checking in. So this is how you have to buy the tickets. So we're going to the first barn, which is the place where we have to buy another ticket to go to the top of the mountain. So as you can see, there is like a pause button on the second. Yeah, so I go there because I'm like 3 persons, so I'm buying for the bus ticket, for the round ticket for 3 person. So you select 3, and then that's it. So easy. You just pay. In Switzerland, like mostly they don't have like the tapping options, so you always have to carry your credit or debit cards. For me, I use debit card because I didn't carry my credit cards. So yeah, just pay it, get the tickets. Just that easy. So now there is a bus waiting. First I thought that like the bus will be like not so many, they won't come like very often, but actually it's not. They come like 5-10 minutes, but I don't know, so I just run to the bus. So yeah, this is it, and that will be part 2, and we'll see you guys again. So thank you.